Okay, I'm going on the flight back home on Air India Express. So this is the view of the wing. So we are doing the pushback right now. We have just begun taxiing. Both engines have started.
आपकी लाइफ जैकेट आपकी कुर्सी के नीचे में एक बत्ती लगी है जो बैटरी के पानी से छू जाने पर जल जाती है। याद रखें लाइफ जैकेट को सिर्फ आपातकालीन स्थिति के दौरान ही इस्तेमाल करें।
The system which equalizes hydraulic pressure have begun with the famous barking sound which is wee wow wow wow. So I've heard that sound.
Please note that the life jacket is to be used.
We are turning right.
In case of emergency water landing after authorization of cabin crew and not to be inflated or tampered with during
Bye bye Boeing 737 Max 8.
There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 doors in front, 2 doors at the rear, and 4 exits over the wings. They are clearly identified by exit signs.
To our flight back home. Until next time, so long Varanasi. Okay, we are now entering the runway for takeoff. The lights have been dimmed. Okay. Right turn. Okay. Turning right. The engines have gone up to 30% to get them ready for takeoff. We are now going towards the runway. We turn towards the back track and doing the runway. Then we are going to do 180 and then we are going to take off. Okay. Okay. They have just checked the spoilers. They are working. So I think it's a go for takeoff. Okay. They now check the ailerons. They're working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, the captain has told the crew to be seated for takeoff. Okay, we are now turning right again towards the runway now. I'm gonna try to see which runway is it. We are now slowing down. Wait, I'm gonna try to see which runway we are taking off on. Let's see, please wait. Can't see the markings, but at least we have entered the tarmac. Okay, the engines have gone up to 40% and full throttle. Yes, they did not even stop. They asked clearance and let's get out of here. 80 knots. 100 knots. V1, rotate. V2. Yes. Bye bye. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Positive rate. Gear up. We are now climbing at 3 degrees nose up, trying to hold the phone steady. Okay, they are now retracting the flaps. They put it to flap 1. So this is the first time I'm flying on an Airbus A320 with the wing tips, not the sharklet one. So that's the first time. Every time I've been on an Airbus aircraft, it's a sharklet one. Okay. Wow. We are now flying at 2000 feet or 3000 feet above ground. We are doing a left bank to position the aircraft towards the airport, which is Bengaluru. So I'm gonna also tell at which terminal we'll be landing. It's terminal 1 or 2. And that small hole you see there with the trailing one, it's a fuel dumping switch where fuel is dumped. So more on that in another video. Now they have leveled the wings to get more speed to continue climb to cruising altitude. This is time to read the safety card. It's an Airbus A320ceo converted to Neo. So yeah, I'm gonna see everything. Time to check the leg room. Can stretch really well, so good leg room. We are now at I think 7,000-8,000 feet because the clouds are starting to appear right now. So we must be at least 5,000 feet above ground right now. Okay, so that small little yellow thing is for the rafts in case of a ditching. So I'm gonna take a picture. More on that in another video. Okay, the seatbelt light has been come off, which means we are doing the climb by the autopilot right now. So this is actually a great vlog for me, memorable ones for me, because this airline is where my vlogging journey on aircraft started. So it's actually a bit of a good vlog, a memorable one for me. That's why I'm happy to fly in this airline and doing a vlog for the second time where it all started. Okay, just bought Coke Zero at the airport, so it's now time to open it and drink it. So tonight after I go home and upload this vlog, I'm going to be reacting to my first vlog. So make sure to check that out on my channel. Okay, so that's it for today. Please catch me in the next part where I show the washrooms, the descent and the landing. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and have a nice day.